Hey, we're back at the cave. It's summer here again in Northwest Ohio, and that means we'll be drinking outside a lot. I know I've been doing a lot of build things lately. It's almost turned into a build channel. But today I'm going to show you, I built a cooler slash stereo for the back porch. I know most of you guys know what I'm talking about. You've seen the rustic box with the cooler inside. I just made mine a little bit longer and put a car stereo in it, and I didn't film any of the actual build part of it, but I will take you through a step-by-step deal, and that way you'll get a good idea of what's going on. All right. Okay, we're in the garage. Here's the final product here. Basically, it's just a box that's holding the cooler, casters on all four legs, bottle opener, car stereo, and two, I think, 4-inch speakers. 4-inch speakers I had, so that wasn't a big deal. The stereo is a Pioneer stereo. I bought it online, I want to say for $58 or $48 with free shipping, one of those. I did have to install this little 12-volt switch. When I got the stereo, it powers up, but it will never shut off. So I bought the switch, and I'll go into the wiring part of that a little bit later. Real easy construction. First I built the legs. I put a 2x4 in the front and a 1x4 here on the side. I only did that just because I wanted a little more depth on the front end when you're looking at it. It's probably hard to see in the video, but I put those together to make an L, made all four of them, and then I just put 1x4s, the length, back and forth, back and forth. I didn't do a very good job squaring it up. I should have paid more attention. So once I got it all built, I had to do a lot of bending and taking out screws and re-putting in screws and all the good kind of stuff. So make sure you square your box up when you're done. I just put this little lip on it because it wasn't totally square, and with the lip it makes it look square, gives you the illusion of being square. The lid, the height of the lid is just the height of the cooler lid, and again it's 1x4 top here, and I have an overhang here. I've seen the coolers that have a handle, and I just went with the lip just because I didn't want to buy any extra hardware. And it's hinged with a piano hinge on the back, and there's not much you can say about a piano hinge other than you put the screws in and it moves up and down. So inside is the cooler. For the drain, what I did is I took the plug out and I just installed a 3/4 inch nipple with a valve. And the only reason I did that was I didn't want to just open up the plug on this end and have water hit the side or hit any of this. So with the nipple, I have it coming out like this, and I 90'd it down and put a valve here, so when it drains, it'll drain straight to the ground. Let me see what else we got here. Just used a jigsaw to cut out the speaker hole and the stereo hole and the switch. Here's a whole shot of the deal. It works pretty good. How I wired the stereo up was I have a 12-volt adapter, and I just happen to have one. Where I work, we're going through old walkie-talkies and we're getting rid of all the stuff, and I took one because all you're looking for is something that's 12 amp. I'm sorry, 12 volt. This is only 5 amp. I don't know how many amps my stereo is. All I know is if you ever put a car stereo in, there's basically 3 wires you have to worry about. There's a yellow, red, and black wire. Black is your ground. Your yellow and red, one of them is your memory wire. Heck, I'm not real sure. I think the yellow one is the memory and the red's the power. I don't know. I just put those two together, spliced into the adapter, and then ran the plug to the wall. Okay, I got it on an AM station right now because I didn't want to get any kind of copyright infringements. But it works just fine. Obviously, it's a little staticky because it's an AM station. I ended up buying this hidden antenna. What's it called? Custom Auto Sound Manufacturer antenna. It's supposedly used for like hot rods, so you don't have to have an antenna showing. You can just put it under your dash. It works pretty good. You know, I've had better, I've had worse. So that's it. So here's just a better shot of it. Like I said, being on casters, it just moves pretty freely. But I've had it on the deck for about a week or so. I just brought it in to make this video because it's so windy outside. Okay, well here it is on the back porch. And I got the stereo on. I don't have many music coming on because right now there'd be copyright infringements and all kinds of craziness here on YouTube. We can't have that. But basically this, you know, just open it up. There's a cooler. I've got a valve and nipple on the drain there. Added the bottle opener over here. Just 4x6 speakers, like I said. And that's the final resting spot there for it.
Like always, like, comment, subscribe, and heck, hit that bell button too. That way you'll get updated whenever I post a new video. Thanks. Bye.